Today we're discussing something slightly unusual but definitely intriguing. The weird things younger women do when trying to attract an older man. We're not talking about your everyday flirtatious smiles or compliments here. I'm talking about those quirky, unexpected behaviors that make you think, what's going on here? From eccentric conversation starters to peculiar gestures, we're going to explore these tactics. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip. You won't want to miss it. Let's jump right in, shall we? 1. Eccentric conversation starters. So, you're there, maybe sipping your coffee or just hanging out, and a younger woman strikes up a conversation. But instead of the usual, "Hey, how's it going?" she hits you with something totally out of left field. Maybe she asks your opinion on whether a hot dog is a sandwich or starts debating the best superhero. It's unexpected, right? These off-the-wall conversation starters are her way of saying, "Hey, I'm not just anyone. I'm interesting and fun." It's a clever move because, let's face it, who wouldn't remember a conversation about whether pineapple belongs on pizza? It's a break from the norm, and it gets your attention. Now, these quirky topics do more than just make her stand out. They also set a playful, lighthearted tone for the conversation. It's like she's opening the door for both of you to drop the adult act for a bit and just have a fun chat. And who knows? You might find out you have strong opinions on the latest viral internet debate. But here's the cool part. It's not just about being memorable. By starting conversations with these unusual topics, she's also testing the waters to see how you respond. Are you up for a laugh? Can you handle a bit of playful debate? She's checking if you're the kind of guy who can roll with the punches and have fun with it. And think about it. These conversations can be pretty revealing. You get to see how she thinks, what her sense of humor is like, and how she handles a bit of back-and-forth banter. It's a unique way to get to know someone beyond the usual, "What do you do for work?" kind of small talk. Next time a conversation takes a weird and wonderful turn, you should roll with it. You might be surprised where it leads and what you find out about this captivating person trying to catch your attention. 2. Over-the-top compliments. Did you know that compliments could be used in a more flamboyant way? This is how it goes. You're just going about your day, and a younger woman starts throwing compliments. But we're not talking about your standard nice shirt compliments. These are compliments with a capital C. Think, your eyes are like the ocean after a storm, or you could be a model. It's stuff that makes you do a double take because it's just so extra. Why the overkill? Well, it's simple, to grab your attention. And let's be honest, it works. When someone lays on the praise thick, it's hard not to notice. But here's the thing. There's a fine line between a genuine compliment and one that's so over the top it's almost comical. A sincere compliment usually relates to something specific, like, "I really like how passionate you are about your hobbies." It's personal and feels real, but when a compliment feels like it came straight out of a cheesy romance novel, that's when you've entered the over-the-top zone. These exaggerated compliments are kind of like a peacock showing off its feathers. They're meant to be flashy and eye-catching. It's less about the compliment and more about making a big enough splash. However, handling these compliments can be tricky. On one hand, who doesn't like a bit of flattery now and then? But on the other, you might be thinking, okay, what's the real deal here? It's a game where you have to figure out what's just for show and what's genuine. Next time you find yourself on the receiving end of some really extravagant praise, just take it in stride. Enjoy the moment while keeping your feet on the ground. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the intention behind them. And hey, maybe there's more to it than just the flashy exterior. Who knows, right? 3. Creating absurd situations and dares. Imagine you're hanging out with a younger woman, and out of the blue, she throws out a dare or suggests an off-the-wall scenario. It could be anything from, "I dare you to sing karaoke right now," to, "Let's see who can make the best ice cream sundae with what we have in the fridge." These aren't your run-of-the-mill date ideas. They're bold, a bit wild, and totally out there. Are you wondering what the deal is with these crazy dares and situations? Well, they're not just about having a laugh, though that's definitely a big part of it. They're about catching you off guard, shaking things up. It's her way of breaking out of the ordinary and showing you a fun, spontaneous side. Think about it. When was the last time you did something totally unexpected and just went with it? These moments create a unique kind of bond. When you're both thrown into a ridiculous situation, you get to see each other in a different light. It's not just about how you interact in a typical setting, like a coffee shop or at the movies. It's about how you handle the unexpected, the absurd. Do you embrace the challenge? And here's another thing. These absurd situations often lead to great stories. Imagine looking back and laughing about that time you both tried to see who could eat a lemon without flinching. It's these weird but memorable moments that can leave a lasting impression. The next time a younger woman invites you into an absurd scenario or throws a playful dare your way, just play along. It might be her way of showing interest in a fun, unconventional manner. Who knows? You might just end up having the time of your life. Plus, you'll definitely have a story to tell. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying the video. And I'm curious, have you ever been in one of these wacky situations? Drop your stories in the comments. I'd love to hear them. 4. Imitating mannerisms or speech patterns. Have you ever noticed a younger woman picking up on your way of speaking or even your little habits? It could be something as simple as using the same slang words, or maybe she started laughing like you do. This isn't just coincidence, it's mimicry and a fascinating part of human interaction. Why does she do it? To create a connection. When someone starts to mirror your speech or mannerisms, it's often a subconscious way of saying, "We're alike, we get each other." She's building a bridge between the two of you, using the bricks of your own behavior. Think about it. When you're around someone a lot, you might pick up their catchphrases or how they tell stories. Now, imagine doing that deliberately. That's what's happening here. She's tuned into your frequency and is reflecting it back to you. It's a bit like flattery, but more personal. But there's more to it than just copying how you talk or move. It's about making you feel more comfortable around her, creating a sense of familiarity. It's like she's saying, "You're my kind of person, and I want you to see that." This doesn't mean she's losing her identity or anything dramatic like that. It's more about finding common ground in the little things, the nuances of expressing ourselves. And it can be effective. There's something reassuring about being around someone who vibes with your way of communicating and behaving. Next time you're chatting with a younger woman and notice she started using that quirky expression you always use, or her laugh sounds suspiciously like yours, take it as a sign. She's not just making conversation. She might be showing her interest in a unique way. 5. Deliberate misunderstandings or playing dumb. Have you ever been in a situation where a younger woman seems to misunderstand what you're saying, but you have a hunch she's sharper than she's letting on? It might be something like you explaining a relatively simple concept, and she's asking question after question, or she's pretending not to get the punchline of a joke. It's a bit puzzling at first, but there's often more to it. This tactic, where she plays dumb or pretends to misunderstand, is pretty clever. It's not about showing a lack of intelligence, it's the opposite. She's creating an opportunity for more interaction with you. Each time she asks for clarification, it's another moment you're talking, explaining, engaging with her. It's also about showing a vulnerability that can be appealing. By allowing herself to seem less knowledgeable, she's opening the door for you to step in to be the helper or the teacher. It's an age-old dynamic that can create a bond where one person helps another, building a connection through shared knowledge. But there's a playful element to this as well. This kind of interaction often leads to lighthearted teasing and banter. It sets up a dynamic where you both can laugh, maybe at the absurdity of the situation or the playfulness of the exchange. It's like she's inviting you to a more relaxed, fun side of conversation. Remember to handle these situations with grace. If you catch on to what she's doing, play along for a bit and have fun with it, but don't patronize. It's a delicate balance. Next time you find yourself in a conversation where a younger woman seems to be deliberately misunderstanding you, take a step back and see it for what it might be. A unique, if a little quirky, way of drawing your attention and building a connection. Here's that bonus tip. Always keep it real. Amid all these quirky behaviors, remember to stay true to yourself. If a younger woman is using these tactics to grab your attention, it's cool to appreciate the effort, but always keep an eye out for genuine connection. It's great to play along with the fun and games, but the real attraction is about more than just quirky antics. Enjoy the playful moments, but also look for those natural, sincere interactions that show who she truly is. That's where the real magic of a connection lies. Now that you know how to spot her weirder attraction tactics, what's next for you? Discover the signs she's sexually attracted to you, or learn how to make a younger woman obsess over you. Thanks for watching.